Okay. For that, we require a hydrangeia or a basilaria plant, or you may take Enodia. You require a beaker, test tube, a short stem funnel, water and sodium bicarbonate. Let us proceed. See, this you have to take a beaker. Got it? Now, this is a short stem funnel, and into it you have to introduce. This is the hydrilla plant. Normally this is a submerged aquatic plant. Now, how to place it? You place it in this way. Got it? And lower it in the beaker. Now you pour water. It can be tap water. Till it is submerged. Now you have to take a test tube. Here, fill it with water. And with your index or your thumb finger, close the mouth and then invert it over the funnel in this way. Clear? Now, this is sodium bicarbonate, as you can see. So, you have to add a pinch of it. I am taking a small amount of the sodium bicarbonate. Clear? Now, you add a pinch to it so that it hastens the evolution of carbon dioxide. Clear? Now, you have to keep the setup in sunlight, or if you are carrying out the experiment in a room lab, you can also use a table lamp. Clear? Now, I will shift this experimental setup near the window so that sunlight falls on it and we can see the evolution of oxygen in the form of bubbles. Clear? Now, come. You can see that I have kept the experimental setup in the near the window. Here, near the window, and I have also placed a table lamp. This is optional, children. Got it? This is optional. If there is direct sunlight, you do not have to use the table lamp. We have to wait for a while and you can see the evolution of the bubbles. Meanwhile, I'll tell you how to write it. That is, this is experiment number 5. Aim of the experiment. You can see exactly what I have done. You have to take either any aquatic plant, submerged, hydrilla or Vaccinaria or Elodia, and then place it in the beaker, invert a test tube filled with water and add pinch of sodium bicarbonate solution. This again, you have to wait for a while to see the evolution of the bubbles. These bubbles are the oxygen that is given out as a byproduct during photosynthesis. Clear? You have to write the observation and then the conclusion. So this is the experiment number 5 according to your syllabus. So you have to wait for a while, children, around half an hour or around 1 hour. Since I am doing this experiment on the top floor, that is about the 5th floor, and today it is not very bright sunny day, it is very cloudy, and therefore I find that it will take time for the bubbles to be evolved here. Clear? That's why I have used an artificial light. You can see the evolution of the bubbles after around half an hour. So that for that long we cannot wait. Just this is the experiment, and when you come to school, I will again demonstrate this experiment to you all, and then we can observe the evolution of oxygen. Clear? That's all for this experiment. Thank you. Stay home. Be safe.